Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're reviewing the Rams with Travis, bro. I keep forgetting, bro. I can't think, but what's good, Travis? He can't speak right now, so yeah. If he could, then yeah, he would speak. But basically, we have two Rams here because I'm way too lazy to put a lot, and I don't want to have a lot of people. Not that good of a play, but sure. But basically, yeah, they're really tall and stuff. But basically, we have the Ram TRX and Ram Limited here, 1500 5th gens. And fun fact, I actually love 5th gens. And one of my family members owns this Ram in real life, so it's a good car. But basically, first off, what do you want to start with? I kind of want to start with the TRX first, because the TRX. It kind of brings that, but at the same time doesn't. So I wanted to start with the TRX or the Limited. Yeah, what do you want to start with first? The TRX or Limited? TRX site. So unlock it real quick. But basically, hold on. Actually, yeah, let's get a cold start of it. Let's get a cold start. Give us a cold start. Oh! Yo! That was good, man. Yeah, that was good. Dang. Oh! 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 Okay, yeah, let me try. Ow. Okay, let me try. But basically, here's the startup in the car. It's really cool though. Yeah, the line extended right. So yo, get in. Basically, this is supposed to be fast car. This yeah. Basically, this is a nice car and yeah, get in. I kind of. Alright, this has a launch control system. So at least it has a graphics limiter. So that's why the car's slow. Car's super slow now. Oh! Didn't realize that 3 minutes in the video and I'm mind my driving that I'm not driving good, but yeah, it goes 118 in real life, but just 1 mile per hour slower in game though. And like I said, it's a 5th gen, it's a nice car. If you want an RP, it's a nice RP car. Please don't race it. I don't want to see racers or squatted trucks with this. I might do that in the future, but it's not because this one diesel. No, just no, okay? No. And I'm just gonna do. Just casually ramp this car. Oh! Oh! Did not even crash. Gel. And it was. Yeah, and now we're gonna have my limited here. Let's So the review, it's good. Yeah. Okay, shut off the car. Yeah, shut off the car in 3, 2, 1. Good startup. Supposedly, this is trying to be a luxury truck, which, yeah, doesn't really sound that good. I mean, it does, but yeah, I think you guys get the point. Yeah, come get in. Oh! Okay, but basically, this is pretty fast for Excel and you know, stuff. It's a nice looking truck. Yeah, it's nice. And this is a 5th gen. Oh, it's way faster. Wow. The TRX, it's not like I have a TRX too, and it's super slow, bro. Nah, wow, man, wow. Let me just... Hey, bombastic, fantastic. Ow. Okay, but this is the best truck you can probably get right now. So, would I want to get the T-Rex? No, not exactly. Would I want to get this? Yeah. Just literally, man. This is good. This is good. But let's race. Let's see. Yo, let's race. So, I already know which one's gonna win. I might be wrong, but there's one out of 2, so it's gonna be the T-Rex only for a bit. Because look at the acceleration, but also look at the high speed on this. Okay, 3 honks go, right? 3 honks go. On the white line. Come on the white line. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're pulling in a window. Doesn't matter about the acceleration. Actually, maybe. Maybe we will lose, actually. Okay, we're pulling. Wait, did I? No, I did not say we were going to stop. Okay, we're gonna stop at Truck Planet. We're gonna stop at Truck Planet. So yeah, looks like the T-Rex won. Like I said, it doesn't really matter though, because I would have won. This truck was fast, but yeah. Shout out to roleplay time for you know, helping us doing this, yeah. But basically, what the hell? But as I was saying, I'm gonna basically, you know, the link in the description. Please join roleplay time. Who's in here? Oh, hi Alan. But Alan was from the last episode of my videos and stuff. Even though I did not, you know. But yeah, roleplay time is a good vid. So yeah. Well, basically. Bye guys, peace out. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell. Please join roleplay time. Link in description. Good server, aye. And Basil, thank you for letting us use the server, right? Good respects and yeah. Please bye. subscribe that